In today's video, I will walk you through how to make animated text in Canva. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. After the blank project opens, head over to the Elements panel on the left side. Click on Shapes and choose a basic square or rectangle shape. Drag it onto the canvas, then resize it until it covers the area you want behind your text. After that, change the shape color to black. Next, go to the text section and add your text onto the screen. Type whatever word or phrase you want to animate. Once the text appears, choose any font style you like and resize the text until it looks the way you want on the canvas. You can also reposition it to line everything up neatly with the black shape behind it. When you're done setting up the text, go to the top right corner and click Share, then choose Download. Set the file type to PNG. Increase the size to the maximum quality available, then download the image to your device. After the file finishes downloading, upload that PNG image back into the same Canva project. Once the image is uploaded, place it onto the canvas and then delete the original black shape element that you created earlier. Now drag the uploaded image into the timeline at the bottom of the project and resize it so it fits properly on the screen. Next, click on the uploaded image and open Edit Photo. From there, use the Background Remover feature to remove the background from the PNG image. This leaves only the text visible. After that, go back to Elements and search for Fire. Open the Videos section in the search results and choose any fire effect or fire style that you want to use for the animation. Drag the fire video into your project and resize it so it fits nicely behind the text area, similar to the example shown in the video. Take a moment to adjust the placement so the fire effect blends well with the text. At this point, you can create any video background you want. Upload the background video you would like to use and place it into the project timeline behind the animated text effect. Once everything is positioned correctly, play the project back to preview the final animation. And that is how you can make animated text in Canva using a fire effect and a custom video background.